I have an old Hampton Bay ceiling fan. The wireless remote no longer works. It is transmitter SKU number 191-707, to use with model number 7067R. I cannot find a replacement for the same unit. Can I just replace it with the new one that I am finding online, or do I have to replace the fan as well?
Have you replaced the ceiling fan or switch before? If so, how long ago?
Both are the original units that were in my home when I bought it 5 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your Hampton Bay ceiling fan? What have you tried so far?
I was having problems turning on the lights, because the on-off wasn't making good contact, so I would take it apart and put it back together to get it to work. This time when I went to do that, the red and black wires in the switch came off the circuit board.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I just do not have a working remote anymore.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question.
Okay.
A replacement for the fan remote needs to be an exact replacement. I suggest going to the link below for the replacement. http://ceilingfans.com.
I tried to find one on eBay, but all it does is show one with a different model number. If I can't find one at the site you gave me, then should I assume that I would have to replace the fan and remote?
The company I suggested is the best source in America. Check the site and if necessary call them.
Okay. I will check their site and see what I can find.
Very good.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime, you're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.